Hello, fellow Toastmasters from District 112. Contest season is upon us, and we have got two major contests coming up in the form of evaluation and international contests. One of those visions I've had for many, many years is to get a champion coming out of District 112. And the only way we can do this, and dare I say I'm going to steal something from the Prime Minister, is having the team of 5 million people behind our champions. However, I want to shrink it down to the team of judges, functionaries, contestants, and dare I say even the audience. To get to that particular point, I have set up 11 workshop training sessions for judges and all functionaries that relate to the two contests that we have got coming up, starting from the 11th of February through to the 5th of March. But there is more, ladies and gentlemen. I have enticed Troy Smith, the Zoom master from District 112, to give up his time for 2 sessions on mastering the art of Zoom control. Ladies and gentlemen, it is there for you to register. The registration details will be further on the Facebook or on our website. And I invite you to register in advance. Come along, ask those questions, be energized, educated, and help me to create a champion from District 112. There is a part for you to play. You know that you can learn from this workshop. Pass the message on to your club members and executive, anyone in Toastmasters to come along. We want to be totally inundated because we will raise that bar. Over to you guys.